Friends, how is everyone doing today? This is Sheree. Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming. I'm so glad you're here. I'm just here with a really super quick Dollar Tree haul. So yes, this is what I picked up at Dollar Tree this week for junk journals, except for I have one little extra thing that I have to show you. And I want to mention that real quick. I started another channel. Well, I've had it for a while, but I've turned it into my vlog channel, and it's linked below. It's called Turquoise Dreaming Sheree's Vlog. And over there, I'm showing you, well, I do have a shopping video, and I have I'll have two Dollar Tree hauls, and I show you everything I got. Like over here, I just show you the crafty stuff. Over there, I'm going to show you everything I got. Okay, so if you're interested to see what else I got at Dollar Tree, hop over there and watch those videos. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that'd be great. If you're not subscribed over here, that would be great too. Just subscribe, like, comment, whatever over here. So this is the little extra thing I wanted to show you because it's so darn cute. Look at this little deer. It's one of those, I love these retro deers whenever I see them in ephemera, cards, anything. I'm like, I have to have it. So I saw this at Dollar Tree and I had to have it. It's days until Christmas and it has these little blocks. I haven't opened it up yet, but it has these little blocks, that you turn to whatever number you need, and it's really cute. It was $5, and I just thought it was just so adorable. And they had the little deer. They had another one that had, I don't even remember what the other one had on it, but I liked the deer, so I got the deer. I love the deer, so I got the deer. Anyway, off to the junk journal stuff. I did get two of these for me before. I showed you in another video previously. I got one more for my granddaughter, this Elf on the Shelf memory game. So I want to see if she'll play that with me, play this game with me, because she doesn't have a long, how 4-year-olds are. They don't have a long attention span. And so I don't know if she's ever sat and played a game with a person. Like, she'll play games on her tablet, but she can start and stop those whenever she wants. But to follow through and play a whole game with someone, we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. But I got that for her. I don't know. I might give it to her like before Christmas, and then we can play it during December or something. If she'll play it with me, we'll see. If she doesn't like it, or I could put it away for later, or I can always add it to my crafty stash, right? So every year I usually get a few of these, and I know I have some in my Christmas stash already, and I'm really not allowing myself to buy any Christmas stuff except for the very special things. So I do make a lot of these and send them with my journals when I probably like for pretty much the whole month of December. If somebody orders a journal from me, they get a little notebook made out of one of these money holders. So I just put little, scrappy little pages or whatever, a few pages in here, and it's just a little notebook. And I think they're super cute. And so this year I picked up, I know these are different from what I have, and so I got this Santa because he looks like an old-fashioned Santa. Try keeping the glare off there in the package. They're all the same, so I'm not opening them. But they have a little slot in the back cover for your gift card. They're actually, these 8 days, you can put money or gift card in there. And in the little slots in the back, I usually try to put a little tag or something back there, because it's, it's the perfect place for one. And in this one, Merry Christmas Wishes. I liked all the holly in here, and actually I liked the blue background. I thought that was different. So I got that one. There's 8 in each. And I got this. I thought he was really cute, this nutcracker. And I love the colors. It's got a lot of gold around. And I just thought this one was really pretty. And I know these are different from anything I have. And then I got a pack of these pens, which I've never picked up before. But I thought they might be useful here in my craft room if I want to include one with an order or something. Or if I have some kind of bundle. I wanted to try these, and I I've heard good things about them, that they write nice and everything. So I went ahead and picked up. This is the first time I've ever picked them up, but I'll try them out too and see what I think and let you know. They are clicky pens. I did get some of the ink pens. I got a package of black ones, and I think I did write with them, and it was good. It was fine. I just don't know about sometimes the yellow, you can't see it, so I hesitate to pick up any pens with like really light colors like that, because then you can't see them, see the colors. But we'll see. We'll see how these do. And then the clicky part, you on these, at least the black ones that I got, and these are probably the same. You push down this little thing, you know, the little pen comes out, and then to close it, you push on the little pocket, you know, little clip here, and you know, click it, and it goes back in. So clip clicks. Anyway, I got those. And so this particular day, you'll see what, if you look at my other channel, you'll see I got a bunch of other things, but they were not craft related. So if you want to see the other fun things I got, I did get some other fun things for our Christmas stocking. You can check that out. But when I was checking out this particular day, right by the register, I noticed they had a whole new box of these cards. And I was like, oh my goodness, Charlie Brown. Because you know, that's the favorite one. If I see any of these with Charlie Brown, I've only gotten one before when they've had the cards throughout the last, say, 6 months. I got one Charlie, you know, Peanuts pack. And then when I saw the Christmas, I got 2 of these, and I got a Grinch. So if you haven't seen these, I have seen other people show and haul the Peanuts. I just hadn't seen anybody haul the Grinch. So I'll show you both of them real quick though, but not like every card, but just as an example of, so you know, because you can't open them in the store. So I mean, I guess you could, but you probably shouldn't. Especially when they're right by the register, you're not going to open them. I mean, I would never do that. So there's the Joker, and so they're like this on the back. They're really cute. They have the Grinch, and it says How the Grinch Stole Christmas. So really cute. They're all like that on the back, and then they look like this on the other side. Just different Grinch pictures. So there's the Joker. There's another Joker. So 2 different Jokers. There's an ace. You know, so they're all like this, little pictures from the Grinch. You know, like that. And then, let me see. There's a Jack. There's a Queen. There's a King. So there's another ace. So I think that's different from, if I showed you one already, I think that's different from the one I showed you. So that's how they are. You know, they're cute. They're really cute. I love the Grinch. So I think these are really cute. So got one of those. I think there's only, in the boxes, I think, when they get a new box at Dollar Tree of these, I think there's only, I'm trying to think if there's only 4 or 5 of the boxes. I'm almost thinking 4, but maybe there was 5 of each. I don't know. Not sure. I'll have to notice that next time. Because I just got 1 Grinch and I got 2 Charlie Browns because that's my favorite. So let's see, I opened this one. I have a little tear here. That's how I know. I tore the box a little bit when I opened it. But this one's really cute. Here's the back side. Super cute with Charlie Brown hanging the ornament on a little Charlie Brown tree. And you know what I noticed is not in here? I haven't seen any Woodstock in here. So there's no Woodstock. Everybody else is in here. Snoopy, everybody else, but no Woodstock. And I was not happy about that. Not happy. So here's the Joker in this, you know, Peanuts pack. And, you know, in the 2, 3, all the little, there's Snoopy. Snoopy's not, I didn't see Snoopy by himself, but he's in a lot of the pictures with somebody else. So there's the Charlie Brown Christmas tree. They have one with Snoopy dancing on the piano in here. But just I want to show you the King, Queen, stuff like that. Okay, there's a 10. There's an ace. There's a Jack. See, there's Snoopy. And then there's a queen and a king. The whole gang is on this king. And the other ones might be different. Yes, well, the whole gang's on the king. Let's see. Here's another. See, that's Jack is different than the other one I showed you. And then there's another queen. That one's different. And there's another king that is different. Oh, he's hanging maybe that's the same. He's hanging the ornament on the Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Oh, there's Snoopy on this ace. Snoopy dancing on the piano. So you see Snoopy in a lot of these. Not all of them, but Snoopy's in a lot of them. But no Woodstock. There's Snoopy. Snoopy and Woodstock are my favorites, so that's why I was disappointed that Woodstock wasn't in here. I mean, why? Why? Why wouldn't they include Woodstock? Everybody loves Woodstock. Don't they know that? I mean, they should know that Woodstock's my favorite. I'm still looking for Woodstock. I know he's not in here, but I'm still like hoping. I'm hoping for a glimpse of Woodstock. No, Woodstock. How could you do this to me? So sad. No, I'm happy that I got 2 of these. So anyway, that's it. See, I told you it was quick, right? So I hope you enjoyed. And stay tuned for my next video. And I thank you for watching. And I'll see you then. Have a great day.